What? Ethan Blaze Alarms here, and this is System Test 10. Welcome to System Test 10. In this system test, I have not one, not two, but three system sensors SpectrAlert Advanced horn strobes. These two right here are P2Rs. This one is set to 15 candela, and this one is set to 75. Then over here, I have a P2W. This one's set to 75 candela. Yeah, three SpectrAlert Advanced horn strobes. They are all 2-wire, so normally there wouldn't be audible silence, but I did set up this strobe over here. For the pulsations, I have three BG-12s right next to each other here. This one right here is a Notifier NBG-12L. This one's a Notifier NBG-12SL. And then this one is just your standard FireLite BG-12. And then over here, I have the Notifier BNG-1. So, along with all that, I also inside the panel have my simplex sync module. And this is going to be syncing up all three of the SpectrAlert Advances. But we ran into an issue where I could not set up the SpectrAlert Classic to also sync with the sync module. So, the SpectrAlert Classic will not be flashing until I silence the system, just so that way we can have audible silence. But I could not get this to sync up with the other strobes properly. So, along with that, since I am using the sync module, I will not be able to change the coding from the panel. And additionally, I can't even change it from the module because that's a sync module for simplex devices. So I'm going to have to change them all from the advances. And each advance is currently set to code 3, but at some point I will change them all to continuous. Alright, so right now all three advances are set to code 3 high volume, and we're going to start with the Notifier NBG-12L. So, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's loud. That's pretty loud. And let's re-alarm with the pulsation directly next to it. The single action one. The difference between these two, this is dual action, you have to push in, whereas this one, you just, with this one, you just pull down. So, let's do that. Alright, and along with that, this strobe comes on when the system is silenced. Yep. Alright, I'm going to reset the system. Alright, all of these SpectrAlert Advances have been updated and are now on continuous high volume. So, let's activate the final BG-12. Yeah, that's pretty loud. And let's re-alarm with the BNG-1. Yeah, SpectrAlert Advances are loud. Alright, let's reset the system. I'm going to make one more modification to the Advances, and I will be right back. Alright, I have changed some settings on the Advances. So these two have been set back to high volume temporal, and the candela has not changed on these. This one over here, however, is still on continuous high volume, and I upped the candela to 115. So yeah, that'll make for an interesting effect with them two on temporal and that one over there on continuous. And to set this off, I'm going to pull this pulsation again. So here we go. Let's reset the system. And there we go, system reset. So, that is all for this system with these SpectrAlert Advances. Ouch. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this system test. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Ethan Blaze Alarms. Most of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you would consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Thank you very much as well. I hope to see you in the next system test. Bye, everyone. Bye.